Okay, sometimes we can't find a picture that is transparent. So for example, I have this picture, and if I want to put it down here, I really want it to be transparent. Okay, so that means I don't have this white box around it. It is just the logo. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get rid of that white background with Pixlr, and it's online and it's free. It's kind of like the online version of Photoshop, but it's free and it's really quick. So I've gone to Pixlr.com. I'm going to scroll down and go to Launch Web App. Okay, and I'm going to have to do two things. First, I am going to open image from my computer. And so this is the logo that I want to take the background away. Okay, and the other thing I want to do is I want to do new image, and I want it to be transparent. Okay, so I have my blank image and I have my logo that I want to take away this white background. So what you do is you go over here and click this magic wand, and you are going to just select somewhere in the white. Okay, what we're actually doing is we are going to take this logo, the color parts, and we are going to paste it over here onto this blank canvas, this blank document that we created. Okay, so when we click in the white, right now I've got all the white selected. Okay, but really I want the color selected. So you go up here to Edit, Invert Selection, and so now the logo is selected. So I'm going to Control C or Command C on a Mac to copy, and I'm going to come over here and Command V or Control C on a PC to paste it. So if you'll notice, it also took a little bit of the white that was enclosed that the magic wand couldn't get, but that's okay. You select it, and then now you can hit delete. I'm going to select it and hit delete. I'm going to select the inside of the star and hit delete. Okay, I've tried just to select like all of this and just hit delete, but it doesn't work because the background that it's set in when you first open it is white. So you have to paste it to another one. Alright, so now that you have it, I'm going to File, Save, and I want to save it as a PNG, because if you don't save it as a PNG, it's not going to be transparent. Alright, okay. Save. Alright, so now you have your transparent logo, and I can, if you're using Canva, now you can pull that transparent logo into Canva. And there you have it. Alright, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me or drop a comment in the comments below.